Relative atomic mass, relative molecular mass and gram molecular volume. Relative atomic mass, AR. Relative atomic mass is the average mass of an atom of a chemical element relative to 1/12 at the mass of a carbon-12 atom. It is dimensionless and represents the number of times an atom is heavier than 1/12th of a carbon-12 atom. AR is a crucial concept in chemistry, especially in stoichiometry, as it helps to determine the molar mass of elements. Relative molecular mass, MR. Relative molecular mass is the sum of the relative atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule. It provides insight into the mass of a molecule compared to the mass of an atom of carbon-12. MR is used to calculate the molar mass of compounds and plays a fundamental role in chemical reactions and equations. Gram molecular volume. Gram molecular volume is the volume occupied by 1 mole of any gas under standard conditions of temperature and pressure, STP. For most gases, it is approximately 22.4 liters. This concept is fundamental in the ideal gas law, which relates the volume, pressure, temperature, and amount of gas. Atomic mass unit, AMU. Atomic mass unit is a unit of mass used for expressing atomic and molecular weights. 1 AMU is defined as 1/12 of the mass of a carbon-12 atom, which is approximately 1.66 times 10 to 27 kg. It provides a scale for comparing the masses of atomic particles, where a proton and a neutron both have a mass close to 1 AMU. Relative atomic mass or atomic weight. First, definition with respect to hydrogen. Relative atomic mass, also known as atomic weight, is a measure of an element's mass relative to the mass of hydrogen. Hydrogen is assigned a relative atomic mass of 1. It helps compare the masses of different atoms. Second, definition with respect to 1/12 of 12C6. It is a value that signifies how many times the mass of one atom of an element is heavier than 1/12th of the mass of a carbon atom. Gram atomic mass or gram atom. The term gram atomic mass or gram atom refers to the grams of the relative atomic mass of an element. For example, relative atomic mass of oxygen is 16 AMU. Gram atomic mass or 1 gram atom of oxygen is 16 gram. Relative molecular mass, RMM, or molecular weight. First, definition with respect to hydrogen. It is the numerical value that signifies the relative weight of one molecule of a substance compared to the weight of one hydrogen atom, which is considered as 1 unit. Second, definition with respect to 1/12 of carbon. It is the numerical value that indicates the relative mass of one molecule of a substance compared to 1/12th of the mass of a carbon atom. For example, relative molecular mass of water, H2O. Gram molecular mass or gram molecule, GMM. The gram molecular mass, often referred to as molecular mass, is the relative molecular mass of a substance expressed in grams. Example, relative molecular mass of oxygen is 32 AMU. Therefore, its gram molecular mass, molecular weight, is 32 gram. Gram molecular volume, GMV. The term gram molecular volume refers to the volume occupied by 1 gram molecule, molecular mass in grams, of a dry gas at standard temperature and pressure, STP. Avogadro's number. The number of atoms present in 12 grams, gram atomic mass, of carbon is known as Avogadro's number. It is denoted by the letter Na or L. Its value is 6.0 to 2 times 1023.